With respect to this specific dialogue that you have come to join us on, we want to be able to infuse or set on the agenda of the National Assembly as it prepares and runs up on its legislative agenda, how it intends as an institution, its members as distinguished senators and honorable members intend to engage with citizens, not just their constituents, intend to engage that they not only infuse the interest, promote and project the interests of citizens in the legislative agenda, which I'm sure that they're already doing. How do we extend that engagement beyond just infusing the interests of citizens and constituents in the legislative agenda of the Senate and of the House of Representatives? How do we evaluate and monitor the implementation of the agenda such that it incorporates the principles of open parliaments?
This assembly is resolute in its pursuit of leveraging technology to streamline communication, facilitate access to information, and enable meaningful engagement between citizens and the elected officials. Furthermore, participatory governance is not a mere buzzword for us. No, it is the cornerstone of our legislative agenda. We intend to establish mechanisms that enable citizens to actively participate in the legislative process, ensuring definitely that their voices are heard and their concerns are addressed.
Then the legislative process provides for the conduct of public hearing, like the ED said in his opening remarks. For every public hearing, Nigerians of diverse backgrounds and fields, they are invited and they appear and attend these hearings, either as stakeholders to submit and make oral presentation, or as participants to witness or partake in the process that must be undertaken before a bill becomes an act of parliament. The activity is usually announced in the national dailies and sometimes in the electronic and in the electronic media for wider coverage. It is usually covered by both the print and the electronic media, and in these days of the internet, the information is disseminated with the speed of light.